Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy named Jaquan Moultrie. If you're here watching this video, it's because you want to learn how to market your system, or you just somebody that's looking for an opportunity to make money online, especially if you're a complete beginner. Now, I know some of you guys are probably new here and you want to know why you clicked on this video. It's because you want to learn how to have a free system that allows you to generate income passively without you even doing any type of little bit to no work. Okay. But the only thing I'm going to have to say is that you will have to promote your system. Okay. So let me let you know right now. Okay. And let me introduce you myself. First off, my name is Shaquan Moultrie, and I want to welcome you all from coming to this video. It's because you clicked on video and you want to know how to make money online, especially if a complete beginner and you don't have no experience and you never had any type of experience online before and you never made money online. That's okay. Because in today's episode, I'm going to tell you about this amazing opportunity that will allow you to escape your 9 to 5 job. And you don't have to have your own boss telling you what to do. You can become your own boss. You can work 30 minutes a day however you want, or you can work 30 minutes to an hour a day just by setting up your system and start promoting it and drive free targeted traffic. Okay. So, what you see on the screen right now, you see a system, an amazing system that you will get access to. Once you click the button down below this video, I want you to sign up. Okay. Before you sign up, because right now, if you come to this website and you see this, you can't register unless I refer you. So that means you need to click the blue button down below. Okay? Because this is a system that you're gonna have access to. Okay? So before you sign up, before you see the register, okay, what you're gonna do, you're gonna watch the video. Okay? Watch the 1 minute and 25-second video that's gonna explain, it's gonna welcome you to your access to your free system, marketing system. Okay? So this is a system that allow you to get thousands a day. Okay, you could generate thousands of hits a day. Okay, so let me read it to you clearly. All right. So free video reveals how this 100% free marketing system is generating full-time income from home. Access this free viral marketing system that allows our team to able to generate thousands of hits a day starting today. So if you want to get access to this amazing opportunity, to this amazing free system, then go ahead and click the blue button down below this video and be sure to watch the training. Okay. So I'm gonna log in. Okay, let me log in. And I'm gonna log in right now, okay? And don't forget, once you sign up, once you click the blue button and register your free account, okay, you're going to hit the register, okay, and you're going to register your free account, okay. So when you register, make sure you fill out all your information, okay, because if you want to start making high ticket commissions every single week, then you need to follow instructions to able to get this system right. If you want this system to take off and ready to blast, then you need to do everything that's right in this video. Okay? Because I'm going to tell you how you can market your system. Okay? And this is the way how you're gonna implement your income passively to people that you're going to target to that might be want to be interested in your program. You can add your business opportunities as well. So let me log in and not hesitate. Okay, so I'm gonna log in right now. As you can see, I'm logging in. Okay, so you will see this little pop up ad that you know you can get access to other offers if you want to. It's up to you. But right now, you don't want to do that right now. You just want to get access to your member areas. Okay. So we in my dashboard right now. Okay. You will be seeing all these pop-ups because these pop-ups will sometimes it will get annoying, but that's like your sponsor. So I have a sponsor right now. Like every time I log in, I see that his ad pops up, okay? And I see that he have other opportunities as well. Okay? So you can add your business opportunities if you want, okay? So guys, if you really serious, if you are serious about wanting to make money online and you want to take action and you want to quit your 9 to 5 job and you want to make a full-time income, you want to work a full-time passively, then get access to this system. It's totally free, guys. It doesn't charge no type of money right now. Okay. That's if you want to upgrade to a powerful system like this. But if I was you, I'd become a free member because it's free. Okay. So nobody never talks about this. Okay. No one. Maybe a few people, but not a lot of people on the internet never talks about this. And this is why you get access to a system like this. Okay. So guys, let me tell you something. Once you landed here, okay, to your Mega Marketing Pro, that's what it's called. It's called Mega Marketing Pro, okay? And you're gonna watch the step one here, okay? Start here. You're gonna press the play button, okay? And I want you to watch this video all the way to the end, okay? Because it's going to teach you step by step to how to set up your marketing system so you can get ready to start promoting it, okay? To other people that might be interested in your offer, okay? And what you're offering, okay? They can get access to this free marketing system. And then on top of that, and then including if you add you can add your business here, okay? So that means if you have other opportunities like other opportunities that you want people to take action in, then you can add your business on top of that as well, okay? But if you don't have a business, that's okay. All right? But I'm telling you that this system, it changed so many people's lives and it does help, okay? So once you get access to that, then you're gonna go to step two, okay? Is to get traffic, okay? So once we click here, okay, gonna get access to step two, and I want you to watch this video all the way to the end, okay? Watch the video all the way to the end. It's only 3 minutes and 50 seconds, okay? And it's going to tell you how to promote it, okay? It's going to give you access to it's going to get you to access to the MMP banners here. You get access to the MMP splash pages here, and you get access to the mega marketing email swipes here too as well, because it's going to teach you how to get traffic, how to monetize your system and start getting leads. About 500, you can get 100 leads in a day, okay? Daily. All right. So if you want to start marketing your system, you get a personal your promo link right here to promote it. Okay. So you can promote your link right here. You all you have to do is copy your URL. But if you want to just go ahead and copy and just start spamming, that's not the proper way to do it. Okay. So let me show you. Okay. Real quick, let me type in lead sleep real quick. Give me one moment. Um, gonna get access. Home button. Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. We sleep. Okay, there we go. All right, so you can get access to this amazing opportunity right here. So once you sign up with me, guys, I will have a link in the I will have my 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 businesses down in the system. So once you plug in into my system, okay, once you plug into my system, you will get access to this amazing opportunity. All right. Or you can go ahead and type it up. But if you want to click on the number two down, if you want to click on the number two section, go ahead where it said where it have my businesses, like my add-on businesses that you can select however you want. If you want to join my opportunities, my business opportunities, you're more than welcome to. But all I'm saying, if you want to get access to a free system, to another free system that allow you to build a capture page from scratch, then get access to this amazing opportunity. That will be in the number 2 section. So don't forget, this is called Leads Leap, and it's been around since 2008. Okay, it's been around for over 15 years, guys. That's a very long time. Okay, so I didn't start making money until I didn't start making money until like 2019, and then I had stopped, and then I came back. I had took a break for a minute, but now since I came back, I had to do what I had to do. Okay. So basically, guys, you'll get access to a free system like this. So it's totally free. All you have to do is register and put your username, email address, your first name and password, and then sign up. All right. So that's all you have to do. Just sign up so you can register your free account. Okay. And then I'm gonna log into mine real quick, okay? Let me log in. I'm gonna show you my capture pages. So once you get access to this one, okay, this is what you're gonna see right here. All right, this is gonna be your terminal dashboard right here, okay? So let me go to um, page builders. So guys, you get access to all of these, all right? So you get access to all of these. So if you want to create a new capture pages, you just add a new page and give it a name, okay? For your business opportunity, all right? So make sure you give it a name. All right? So, step 3, you're going to automation, okay? So automation. So let me tell you. So you can set up your autoresponder. It's going to teach you like this. So when you have your Lead Leap account, you can set up your autoresponder, okay? So that means you can collect leads each and every day, all right? If you want to collect 100 leads a day, then hey, there's another free way you could do it too. You can use Hercules.com. That's all free. That's totally free if you want to use that type of system too. To get you could send thousands. You could send you could create your mailer and send 1,000. You can send your opportunity to 1,000 members on Hercules.com. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna watch this video, 20 minutes and 28-second video that's gonna explain and walk you through how to set up your autoresponder with Lead Sleep. All right. So just make sure you guys, when you come in at the system, make sure you set it all up. All right. So without that being said, guys, my name is Shaquan Moultrie, and I hope to see you guys on the other side. And if you have any questions, uh, you know, I will leave my social media in this opportunity as well in my marketing system. So you can add me or follow me on my social medias as well. So I want to thank you guys for allowing me to show you this video to get access to this marketing system for free. Okay. You don't have to pay no money. All right. You get access to this amazing opportunity. But if you want to make a full income, like a living full life income, then be sure to click the first link. All right, click the first, my number one recommendation that's going to teach you how to make $25 to $300 per day. All right, so if you want to learn more, go ahead and click that, my number one recommendation, how to make $300 per day. All right, so without that being said, my name is Shaquan Moultrie, and I see you guys on the other side. Bye bye, guys.